Judd Burdon here with Asphalt Kingdom. Thank you for tuning into the channel. Very common question that comes into our company is seal coating cost per square foot. Well, it really depends on what side you're coming from asking that question. As an example, if you're a residential homeowner that's looking for the cost to seal coat from a contractor, generally you're looking at 25 cents to 45 cents per square foot. Of course, it depends on the size of the driveway that you have, but that gives you a good understanding of range of what it costs per square foot from a contractor to you. In regards to being a contractor looking for the cost associated with going out and doing business per square foot, you're generally running at 4 cents to 7 cents a square foot from a cost perspective to do jobs. So you can see that there's great margins from a contractor perspective when you go out and seal coat. Make sure that you understand what your square footage is of the parking lot or driveway that you're looking to seal coat. Understand the age of the asphalt. As an example, a 20-year-old driveway is going to take more sealer than a brand new driveway would, right? So cost would be higher. Take those variables into consideration so you understand what the cost per square foot is to seal coat. Please feel free to click the link below to get in touch with us regarding any questions that you have relating to cost of seal coating a driveway.